Hey guys, it's Melissa here. I'm in my front yard today. We are going to be doing some front yard maintenance because it's been over 100 degrees for about 6 days. We have another week of 100-degree weather as well, and things are looking really sad. So I need to get on top of certain things, fertilize, prune, get things done that need to be done. Right now it is, oh my goodness, it's probably about 8 o'clock in the evening and it's 105 still. It is hot. But we have to do what we've got to do. I've got my glass of water here. Let me take you around and show you some of the things that need to get done. These are my blueberry phlox. This is the first time I've actually planted them. I love them. They are so beautiful. They're doing well, but the unfortunate thing is the city is coming by to fix our curb. We've got a pretty nasty bump right there. Oops, can you see it? There it is. So they're going to be removing all of our curb, which means my beautiful phlox will be going bye-bye. Quite sad. These are my Peter Pans. I do have some blooms. They're agapanthus, Peter Pan agapanthus. Some blooms are ready to be pruned off, so I'm going to be doing those. Other than that, they're looking so pretty. These are my candy tufts. I'll probably be trimming off the tops of them. My white wands veronicas. They're looking scraggly. The bees are still all over. I don't know if you can see the bees, but they're all over them right now. And they're absolutely loving it. So I may not get all of them, just leave some for the bees, but they do need to be trimmed up so that they look more beautiful. These are my Bobo hydrangeas. Oh, nothing needs to be done because they are beautiful. I will be fertilizing them. But other than that, they're absolutely beautiful. The sad things. Oh, my heucheras, my wild berry heucheras. You know, they look absolutely gorgeous in spring and fall, but unfortunately, in the summer, they're not looking great. So I probably have to move them, which I really don't want to because they're so beautiful in this spot. But as you can see, a lot of the ends are burned. You can tell that they're getting enough water because the leaves are sticking straight up. They're very happy other than just too much sun. So I do have to think of another spot for these to go and put something else in this spot. But I probably won't be doing that today. I do have some alyssum that needs to be cut back and repruned. My coleus is looking fabulous. Do not need to do anything with those. My sparkling amethyst is looking great. I don't need to deadhead them. I probably won't. My lamb's ear, obviously something is getting a hold of them because I do have quite a bit of holes in them. So I'll probably be putting out some Slug today as well, just to see what's going on. Little begonias poking out. I will be deadheading some of the begonias that need to be deadheaded. So yeah, look at the coleus are looking beautiful. Again, more alyssum that needs some attention. But my veronicas, if you guys have never planted veronica, you really need to try it out. It is absolutely gorgeous. I plant this every single year, exactly like this, because the show it gives is absolutely beautiful. So pretty. We just had our 4th of July party last night, so all the decorations are still out. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually just trimming off the leggy looking parts, and if you can see, there's a lower canopy of leaves, and that is where I'm cutting it off to. I'm cutting off all the scraggly stuff and cutting it all the way back to the lower set of leaves so that all you see is the pretty green stuff. has been a crazy week. I finally came out and finished the front yard today, as best as I could anyway. My oldest baby just moved out of the house yesterday, so we were dealing with moving his furniture and everything into his own place and all the emotions of dealing with that. But today I finally was able to come out and make it and do the front yard as best as I could. The heat's been a challenge this year. It really has. We really, in California, Zone 9B, we really haven't had the consecutive amount of heat days that we've had this year. And so plants are suffering. You know, that's just gardening, and we have to really problem solve and figure it out. So you're going to see a lot of things that need tender love and care. But let me flip the camera around and show you what I've done. All right, let's start at my tree. We have all the Supertunias. We have the Supertunia bubblegum, Supertunia fuchsia. I've got the Superbena cobalt in here as well, and they look beautiful. They're okay. I feel like last year they looked better. So I don't know if it's from the heat or just too much shade. It could be too much shade because this tree has really grown a ton. Everything's been cleaned up. I'm not super particular about how much leaves are in the ground. I do pick up some, but I don't really pick up a whole lot, and that's okay. As you can see, oh, my heucheras, my wild berry heucheras are just so sad. They are not happy. Normally they do not look this bad, but with the heat, they are just suffering. So for sure I am going to move them. I don't know when. The thing is, I don't know what else to put in this spot. I love these here. And as soon as I find something to replace it with the color that I want, then I will end up replacing them. But I did get the Veronicas all cut back as much as I wanted to. Like I told you before, I don't want to remove all of them because, as you can see, there's 100 bees on them right now. It's fantastic. I'm loving it. My Bobos are doing their thing. They look beautiful, so nothing needed to be done. Let me stand back so you can actually see the swoop right there. And it's so pretty. I just really love this area. My phlox, I don't know what's going on. I don't know if it's bedworms or if the water's having issues, but a few days ago they did not look like this. And look at them. Something has happened. So I need to come out here tonight and make sure I am spraying BT because truthfully, I have not done it for the last couple of weeks and that's bad. So we need to be on top of that. My lime thyme coleus is looking beautiful. Oh, I did forget a little top that needs to be cut off. There we go. Simple as that. I don't care for the blooms, so I just chop them off. And what it does actually, it really helps the foliage to grow, which is what I want. I want to see this bright chartreuse color. And of course, the show of my yard is for sure this Superbena amethyst. It's beautiful. It's backed with, oh shoot, what kind of coleus is it? I forget the name of this coleus. Ridiculous, I think. I'll have to put it up on the screen. And it just looks so pretty. I will probably repeat this section. My only issue is I really don't have a lot of winter interest here. So when the summertime happens, oh, sorry, not summertime, wintertime happens, this area is bare. It's gorgeous during the spring, summer, and fall, but wintertime, it's not so much. And so I need to fix that. That's something I really want to focus some time on. And of course, there's my beautiful, is it Autumn Blaze? I think it's called Autumn Blaze Japanese maple. It's gorgeous. It is my absolute favorite, and it's very happy where it is. I have my begonias and my lambs here, and of course more, whoopsie, forgive me, the gimbal's a little touchy. There we go. The coleus backing the fountain is beautiful. Love this space. Over here I have all of my Veronicas. They are beautiful. I plant them here every year and I love it. I think this area is just so sweet and doing so well. So something I am very proud of in the yard. Again, problems with the yard is my walkway. So some parts are looking fabulous. So these are called lemon ball sedum. I bought them at my local garden center and I absolutely love them. They're beautiful. But somehow my drip was turned off and so things were suffering and I just assumed it was the heat. So these are the garden problems with kids sometimes, is that they turn off the water when everything's on timer. So again, that's life. But of course, I just have a random lavender there, which I'll move sometime soon. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. It is hot. I'm going to go and jump into the pool with the kids. They're begging. We're going to go do that. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.